Oh my guys, I'm back with another video. I know I've been gone for a while. I took like a mental health break. There's just a lot going on, but I'm definitely coming back and I'm going to be consistent. I'm gonna post at least once a week. Once or twice a week, I'll try, but I want to come back and post more travel content. I really want to share my travel adventures with you guys. A lot of people come to me and say, oh, hey, I live vicariously through you. You travel so much. And traveling is honestly my favorite thing to do in the entire world. Like, the best thing I've ever done in my life. So I am honored to share it with people. I'm talking about my trip to South Africa today. So it's now December 11th, 2023. It's 3:17 in the morning. I went to South Africa in May, the end of May, May 23rd to June 8th of this year. The flight took a couple days. I didn't land in Cape Town. I stayed in Cape Town and Johannesburg. So I landed in Cape Town on the 25th of May. Had a layover in London, and then I stayed in Johannesburg from the June 3rd to June 8th. So I was gone for like 2 weeks. I landed in Cape Town on the 25th of May, and I was there till June 3rd, and then Johannesburg June 3rd to June 8th. Yeah, so I was gone for like 2 weeks, much needed. And I can honestly say without a doubt, South Africa is definitely one of the best places I've traveled to. I've been to 17 countries and counting so far for reference, and South Africa is literally my favorite. Like one of my favorites. Well, I'll say it's my favorite for now. Like, it's definitely my the food, amazing. There's so much to do. Like, I did a lot. Like, I'm gonna share some of the activities I did while I was there. If you follow my Instagram, you know that I walk with the lions in Johannesburg, so I'm gonna share that with you guys as well. So today, obviously from the title, I'm sharing one particular activity. I was in a helicopter for the first time in Cape Town, which is crazy, but it was my first time, and it was definitely an exhilarating feeling. Like, it was really fun. It was so much fun. Like, I would do it again. I was supposed to go skydiving, but the weather wouldn't permit that, so until next time. I am going skydiving though in another country. Sorry, Dad, but I am going skydiving in another country. I'll try to go back to do it in South Africa. I don't know, or I might do it somewhere else. I don't know. But I did fly in a helicopter, and I sat right next to the pilot. There were it was like a 4-seater, so you can choose the option to have like a private ride, like a private flight if you want. I didn't really mind. They assign your seat based on your weight, so I don't know, I guess based on my weight I ended up being in the front with next to the pilot, and then there was a couple, or I don't know, a man and a woman in the back. I don't know if they're brother, sister, husband, and wife, I don't know, but they were behind me. And we were flying together. It was really fun. And then you could also choose to add on a sunset cruise, so I did that, which was another 350 rand. So the cost of the helicopter ride was like over 3,000 rand. So that's about for me it cost like 170 US dollars, but it was like 3,400 rand, South African rand. That's their currency. So our money, of course, US dollar is worth more, of course, but I didn't think it was a bad price. I thought it was worth it. It was definitely worth it to me. I did the Atlantico, or I think it's the Atlantico route. So you can choose whichever route you want. You can do, they have a 10-minute, 20-minute, whatever. Of course, the more you pay, you know, the longer it is, you know. So I did the 20-minute route, and I thought it was fun. It was amazing. Like, I had a view of Table Mountain. Table Mountain is like beautiful natural structure, like beautiful. You'll see that in this video. But yeah, I definitely suggest going to South Africa for sure, and flying in a helicopter. Like, I mean, what better place than Cape Town? Like, you have great views, like, why not? Like, you have a good price. Like, I'm sure if you pay for a helicopter flight here, it probably costs more money. So I think you definitely will save money if you know, do certain things in South Africa, you know. And the people were so nice. Like, you could take Ubers there. Like, yeah, it was just a really all-around great experience. I'm gonna talk about it more, you know, over, you know, my next videos. But yeah, stay tuned, and I will show you guys my first time in a helicopter in Cape Town. One thing I love about this company that I booked with, they offer the option to pick you up from your hotel or Airbnb. So they did pick me up from my Airbnb, if you're in the area. So here, this is the email, me upgrading to the Atlantico flight and the Sunset Cruise add-on. This is the entire route that I took, the Atlantico flight. Here are the other routes you can take. They have different routes. Some, you know, some of course are longer, which also costs more. Here's the company I booked with, Cape Town Helicopters. Here's a beautiful view of Table Mountain. And this is the area where we took off. And that's me in front of the helicopter that we were in, along with Table Mountain in the background. More pictures of me. So yes, I would definitely recommend. This isn't sponsored by Cape Town Helicopters, by the way.
So after that amazing flight, you have the option to add on the sunset cruise, which is what I did. It was definitely worth it. It was a little windy because it's their winter. When it's our summer, it's their winter. So it was a bit cooler. But they did have blankets, and they give you like some bubbly. They gave you 2 glasses of bubbly, but this is me here on the boat. It was really beautiful. Such an amazing experience. I definitely suggest booking. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.